in our pajamas. Bike's off lift, pants are changed. What's up, guys? And we're back with the chopper in our pajamas. Hopefully today we're going to get this bike to run. It has been quite a while since she's ran. I got a new battery. It has been charging. It is fully charged. Fixed some spacing issues I had up front. That's all fixed. Drained the crankcase just in case some fuel got down in there. It didn't. Added some oil. Fixed some wiring. Redid a ground strap. Redid a power wire. Re-insulated. Other than that, I got some parts for the carburetor on the way because I finally figured out what carburetor this bike takes. It's been a process figuring that part out. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get a battery installed. And we are going to be starting this bike here shortly, which I'm very excited about. I haven't heard it run in a long time. Get that set into place. Get the strap for the battery. All right, boys, girls. Nice and snug. Nothing's going nowhere. Let's get this thing off the lift, back it out, and we might hear it for the first time in quite a while. Okay, now I'm back. Bike's off lift, pants are changed. Let's see if we can get this old girl to fire up, man. Been months and months. So, if you notice, I have two shutoffs because this petcock I got did not work right. So, but nonetheless, turn choke on, see if we can get some life out of here. Okay, wow, I'm sure that messed up your ears. Didn't expect it to fire up that easy either. But I got the idle too high. Too high, too high. So let's fix that. I kind of had a feeling I was going to do that, but pop that bad boy loose. Which I also messed with the air fuel too, so maybe that might have something to do with it. All right, friends, we're going for a ride. see how she does here. Oh, I guess I probably need a plate. Hang tight. Anyway, we got a plate. Now, let's see what we can do here. Okay, guys, and that is a wrap for now. You know how choppers go. Always a work in progress, but we rode up today to Triple S Harley Davidson. They had a nice little get-together for the veterans. It's Memorial Day, so rode up there, got some eyes on this whole girl. Definitely got some attention, which was pretty cool. Talked to some real cool people. A couple fellow YouTubers, which was neat, and met a guy up there with an old Evo Softail frame with a shovel in it, which was super sick. Awesome bike. Nice custom little chop. But got some videos of me riding this thing, which was pretty cool. I knocked down probably just about 100, just over 100 miles this weekend on this old girl, and she did not miss a beat. So that's super exciting. Carb isn't leaking anymore. Kind of fixed itself. I had parts on the way for it to fix when it was leaking fuel, but it's not doing it now. So I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to touch it until it breaks again. The only hiccup I had was we got a little leak out of the drain plug in the primary, which is super simple and very common because both this Sporty and the stunt bike does the same thing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more on this. I have mid controls coming for it. Kind of set me more old chopper stance instead of out in front of me. Not super into the forward controls. Not really my style. Got it together with them, and now I got the mid control stuff on the way. So that'll be pretty rad. Definitely will set a little higher need on it, which I like that look. But yeah, this is my 89 chop, and I'm super pleased with it. She runs great. She is an absolute ripper. But stay tuned for more. We got some more builds coming. And like and subscribe, man. Tell your friends. Thanks.